Hello YouTube, I am Solipra Captain and welcome back to a new video. In this video, we will talk about game analysis. You guys may have heard before that game designers must analyze other games to improve their skills, but then you are not shown how to do that. So that's our topic for today's video. Okay, so let's begin. Games are mainly built around four things: the player, which is the object that you control; the goal, which is the way you would complete the game; the opposition, that will stop you from completing the game; and the rules, which will help you to overcome the obstacle so that you can complete the game. Okay, so these four things are what makes a game well a game. Let's take Pong for an example. In Pong, the white rectangles, depending on which rectangle you are controlling, is the player. The goal would be to score as much points as you can. The opposition is obviously the other player, and the rules is to get the ball to the other edge of the screen. And these four main things are what made Pong a game. And if you know, Pong is the most iconic game in all of game history. And these four things are what made it so special. Of course, there's more to it, but these are basically the main thing that made Pong what it is. Now let's take another game I found on the internet called Pink River. Let's see how it fits into this framework. Okay, so we have a player that can move around, then we can jump, and we have a wrap. So this is what the player can do. Now, the goal of this game is to use this raft and go the longest distance that you can possibly can without getting your raft destroyed or without dying. Okay, so that's the goal. The opposition are these rocks. We must not let the rocks touch the raft, or else that will happen. So we can move these around like this, and these are the rules of the game. So that's basically what made this game so special. Of course, there's more to it, as you can see, but that's basically it. Okay, so now if you have made it to here, then well, you made it. You should be proud of yourself, because now you know how to analyze games. Now I have a task for you. I want you guys to search your favorite games, or even pick your own game if you have made them, and try to define them with player, goal, opposition and rules, and post them below in the comment section, and I'll surely look into them and see how well you have done. Well, that's it for today's video. Like, subscribe and hit the notification bell, and stay tuned till the next episode.